So I just received this package today in the mail. Really hopeful it's the new ESCs to replace the ones from Airbot that were burning up on the bench on my latest quad build. So let's open up the box. All I've done so far is cut the tape. I haven't opened it myself yet. And hopefully these will be the replacements once I get the bag all opened up. They are. Alright. Get this out of the way. So, I had some Wraith ESCs burn up on me on the bench. So, he has sent me these newer ones that he says are going to be better. He actually gave me 3 options to choose from. The Wraith 32, and he called them the V2.3, which are supposed to prevent the ESCs from burning up. He gave me an option of stepping up to the 60 amp version or going with their new one. He called them an F3. I can't remember the exact name for it. I'll look it up and then I'll post it under the video when I do the video. But here they are. I got 8 new ones to replace the 6 that I have currently, 2 that burned up and 4 that haven't met their demise yet. But anyway, they look extremely similar to the Wraith, although it looks like they might have an LED light in with them. Wiring still looks to be similar with your standard signal, although I don't see a telemetry anywhere. So I'll have to check on that to see if there's ESC telemetry with these or not. Otherwise, looks like your typical motor outputs, power inputs, PPM, anywho. So there we have it. Those are the replacements. Again, I think he called them an F3. I'll have to look to see if they support telemetry or not. Anyway, there they are. Finally showed up. Okay, here's the latest. I did some looking up. They're calling this, Airbot's calling this particular ESC the F3 Furling, or the Furling 32. It is supposed to use BL Heli 32, just like the Wraith. He recommends them, the guy that I spoke with, as being a better upgrade than the Wraith ESCs. As you can see here, I tried to get the camera to zoom in the best I can to give you a somewhat decent focus. Signal, telemetry. Difference being there's no ground. So I'm assuming the power ground is sufficient ground for the ESC, so you don't need a separate ground wire as well. But that's just my guess. I haven't been able to locate any instructions specifically for the wiring, so I'm going to assume input power, input ground, and this ground should be sufficient to ground the whole thing. Signal wire, telemetry, and of course your motor terminals. Hopefully these will work better. I'll get them wired up, give a report back.